everything changes.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It's Thursday, it's May 6, 2021, and I want to talk about a question I see a lot in social media circles is how do people sell stuff on eBay for $5 free shipping, or even $6 or $7 free shipping? How are they making any money, and how are they selling stuff for these low prices? Well, I'll put some stuff up in the corners during this video, some screenshots, and I will also do a little coverage over on my iPad just to show you guys some examples that I can put on the screen. So basically, it's usually one of 4, sometimes 5 things that are going on. So typically when somebody's selling something that cheap, they are not actually making any profit. So number 1 is buying feedback. And what I mean by that is somebody wants to build their feedback score. They're willing to sell an item for $5 free shipping just because they know it'll sell really fast. And even if they're breaking even, like the item cost them $0.25 and the shipping's $3.50 or $4 and the fees are $2, they're breaking even or losing money, they're okay with that. They want to sell 100 items and try to get 20 or 30 feedback, or maybe they're going to sell 1,000 items that they're losing 50 cents a piece on. They're willing to spend $500 to build this feedback score up. Why would anyone want to do that? It's silly. I don't think it's good, but some people think having a big feedback score will help them get more sales, and it'll end up in the long run benefiting them. So they're basically doing like marketing. They're spending a few bucks for marketing. The second reason is similar. It's because they want to bury bad transactions or feedback. So in other words, they get a bad feedback, they want to get tons of feedback to bury that one under there, because as you get more feedback, that negative starts going down, 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 down. So that would be a second reason. The third reason is defects. So if you don't know how eBay's defect rating works, and you were to get a defect, say a case closes against you because you didn't respond or you canceled some orders, and let's say you had 100 transactions and you had 3 of those items with defects, you have a 3% defect rate. Well, let's say you need to stay under 2%. So in order to stay under 2%, you might need, to sell 150 items, right? You need 150 transactions. So, and you need to get that quickly before your next rating. So somebody might try to sell off a bunch of items really quickly to build their transaction count so that the rating, the defect rating and percentage goes down drastically. So that would be kind of the third reason. So the fourth reason is an old school retail marketing technique, and it's called loss leaders. And basically what that means is you bring people into your store with low dollar items that you are breaking even or losing money on, in order to get them to shop for other high dollar items. So a good example of this is gas stations. If you don't know this, gas stations only make pennies. When you buy 10 gallons of gas for $3 and it's 30 bucks, they probably paid $2.95 or 97 cents. So they only made like literally 5 cents a gallon, 10 gallons. They made 50 cents on the transaction, or $1. They don't really care about you buying gas too much. But you come in and buy a $2 soda and a $1 candy bar for $3, and their cost on that is like $1, and they made a $2 profit on the candy and soda as opposed to $1 on the gas. So they want you to come in, they want you to buy other stuff. You might go into a store like a Dillard's or JCPenney's or something, and they have t-shirts $5, but then when you get in there, they get you to buy a $50 pair of jeans. The shirt they made $2 on, but the jeans they made $30 on. So that's kind of how loss leaders works, and that would be really the fourth reason. So the fifth reason is one that doesn't apply to us, but it is important to remember. It sucks, but it is what it is. Some of these people are Chinese, they're Indian, they're out of country, they're overseas, they're just foreigners in general, and they have an agreement and a deal with eBay for e-pack, like the China e-pack. They can ship, something that we might ship, say a little tiny little remote or whatever, that costs us $3.50 or $4 first class, is costing them 45 cents to ship. No joke. So then you start talking about their fee being 45 cents, their label being 45 cents, and their cost of goods being $0.25. And now you can see how even if they're out $1 or $1.50, they sold it for $5 free shipping, they still made $3 or $4. They're selling a ton of volume. So that is possibility, and that's number 5. That's how it would happen. So hopefully I've put some screenshots up during this video that you guys will be able to check out. But anytime somebody asks me how to sell free on eBay for $5 and make a profit, generally you can't. So the rule of thumb is the cheapest way to ship something on eBay, if you're not using the like trading card $1 envelope or a stamp for 50 cents, if you're doing first class, which is majority of us with tracking, you're not going to be able to ship something for less than $3. On average, you're going to be spending $3.50 to $4, whether it's a remote or a t-shirt or a necktie. You know, $3.50 to $4 is typically the lowest you're going to ship something for. And if you're selling something even for $5 with a fee, you know, on eBay's managed payments, you're talking about somewhere around 75 cents with no promoted, 80 cents, 90 cents. The old PayPal fee was 30 cents plus the fee. So, you know, getting anything in under $1 is about the lowest you're going to get. So if we take $3.50 and say 75 cents, we're at $4.25. Maybe $4.50 if you spread out the cost of your store across items and all that. Really, your break even on an item to not lose money is somewhere between $4.50 and $5. So if you're not selling something for over $5, you're not making any money. And if you're selling it for $5.50 or $6 and you're making 50 cents or $1 an item, you're going to need to sell a whole lot of items. Now, if you have a small item that's pre-packed or you're ready to just throw it in and ship it out, and you're making, you know, $1 an item, and you can list quantity 1,000, and all of a sudden you're selling 20 or 30 a day. You know, let's say 30 a day, 33 a day, and you can make 33 bucks a day just shipping stuff out at $1,000 a month on a listing that you never have to touch except to print a label and, you know, stick it on and ship it, stick it on and ship it, stick it on and ship it. It's doable. I know a lot of people that have like 100 listings and each listing has 1,000 quantity and they sell, you know, 10, 20 a day, and they're selling 1,000 or 2,000 items a day, no joke, and they're making like $1, $1.50. They're making $1,500 a day. $45,000 a month, and all they do, their only job is shipping. They never have to list. They order more quantity. They go in, they change the quantity from, you know, 10 remaining to 500, and they move on like that. So there's definitely ways it can be done, but it's not regular, normal course of business that I see, at least not from most of you guys and my viewers in my Facebook group. So if you ever ask yourself that question, that's the answer, and hopefully that makes sense to everyone. I appreciate everyone who did ask that question, and I've seen it everywhere, Facebook, Instagram, here on YouTube and whatnot. So anybody who is selling that sort of thing is generally not making money. They're doing it for other reasons, or they're overseas making money, or they are really high volume seller. Okay, as always, I'll see you guys in a little while for the live show. It's in about 4 hours, so I'll get this video up quick for you guys. I'll link the live show below, and thank you as always to our sponsor, List Perfectly, who is in the business of helping you cross-list your inventory across 12 platforms really, really quickly. I'll link List Perfectly's demo video and their sign-up link with discount code RockstarLP, 30% off your first month. If you want to take your inventory and spread it out across all these different platforms, whether it's 1, 2, 3, or 12, it is the fastest way to do it. List Perfectly has amazing customer service. They will help you, and they are always there for you 7 days a week, or you can hit up me and I'll help you. So List Perfectly, demo video and sign up link below. Check it out in the description box along with all my other links. Enjoy your evening, and I'll see you guys at 9 p.m. Eastern for the live show that's linked below. Thanks everyone. I'll see you next time.